It's a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. Having a family means dealing with surprises. This Grand Caravan was designed to handle the unexpected by delivering craftsmanship fueled by innovation. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power adjustable pedals, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive writes, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Can a vehicle be daring yet sensible? Yes, it's a Dodge. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.